All right, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be getting OpenClaw up and running on Windows, and this is the brain and hand system that lets AI actually use your computer. For this build, we're actually using the 12th gen i7 and with the NVIDIA RTX 3070 and 8 gigs of vRAM. This is actually my day-to-day computer, and just wanted to set it up and see what the hype is all about. All right, I'm gonna let the installation process, which is rather dry, speak for itself. I'm gonna speed it up. The entire process takes about 8 minutes. I'm gonna cram it down to 3 minutes. All right, enjoy.